Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Hearty Lovely and Lofty Perfect 10-in-1 BB Cream for all hair types. I never thought I'd see a day when there would be a BB cream for hair, but here it is. 160 milliliters or 5.4 ounces. It's perfect hair BB cream, 10-in-1 solution for your hair. Enriched with keratin and argan oil, and it works on all hair types and has a refreshing fragrance. So the 10 things that it does: it repairs with keratin, it has frizz control, smoothing, moisturizing, silky softness, brilliant shine, detangling, heat protection, manageability, and anti-breakage. So it's the total solution for hair enriched with keratin and argan oil. And how you use it is on damp hair after you get out of the shower. You do not rinse off, you just style as desired. And on dry hair, you can apply a small amount on dry hair as a finisher as needed for perfection. So this was actually given to me as a gift by my hairdresser, and I really enjoy this product. It really works super well. I've gotten one for my mom and one for my sister, and like I said, it has 10-in-1 features. I didn't ever really think that I'd find something that I'd like to put on my hair so much after I got out of the shower to style, or actually to style when it's dry to make it a little bit shinier. But this Hearty, Lovely and Lofty Perfect 10-in-1 BB cream really has shown me that it's a product that I can't live without. So I use it whenever I wash my hair, which is every 2 or 3 days. Oh, it also helps with anti-breakage, which is another great thing. Usually I have a fascination with beauty products. I wasn't expecting a ton from this product, but when I got it from my hairdresser, I started using it. I really liked it. I really was surprised that it did all of the 10 things it said it would do. It's really good. I have frizzy hair. It works really good for frizzy hair. It lasts for a long time. I don't need to buy it super frequently. I'd say it lasts me for about 8, maybe 9 months for one bottle, because you don't need a whole lot of it. And it actually even holds up in humidity in the summertime, which is really great. So this 10-in-1 BB cream I've found to be indispensable. I would give it a 5 out of 5 stars if I was rating it. And I'll just show you what the texture of the product looks like. If you just give me a moment as I get it out of the tube. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Nice, light, creamy. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells like heaven. It smells kind of fruity. So that's what the texture is like. I'm gonna stick it back in my hair. Don't want to waste any of the product. So yeah, I happily and heartily Hearty give this a good recommendation. If you're looking for something to put in your hair as an all-in-one to help with styling, to help with humidity, to help with keratin or argan oil, it's something that helps to style. It does it all. So the 10-in-1 Hearty, Lovely and Lofty BB cream for all hair types. And I believe, where is it made? It is made in Korea, which is where the original BB cream showed up, which was in Korea. I heard a story that the BB cream for face came about in Germany. I'm not so sure about that. I still think it came about in Korea, but you can do your own investigations on that. So the Hearty Perfect 10-in-1 BB cream for all hair types, 5.4 fluid ounces. Highly recommended. 2 thumbs up. very enthusiastic, and you don't have to take my word for it, my darlings. Try it yourself and see what you think. And thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed.